Just a quick update. We're still sitting here in the high desert of New Mexico, and I'll be honest, it's been a great day today. We went over to Taos, did a little shopping, did a little laundry, declared it to be date night, so we ate at a Peruvian restaurant. Wonderful food. Now we're back out here. Brenda's putting away some of the groceries, and I just thought I'd do a quick update for those of you that travel with us. And I want you to see, let me see if I can zoom out here. I want you to see across this little plateau we're on. See the wind blowing the sagebrush out there. We've had a few rains, little sprinkles here and there. And yeah, it's just kind of made the smell of the sage burst out bigger than it is, washed the dust off of it, and of course the sun went behind a cloud as soon as I started filming. But this whole field across this plateau was beautifully lit with the evening sun. And we're probably going to hang out here another few more days. There's supposed to be some rain coming that may make our departure a little dicey because the road into our friend's homestead is made up of clay and sand and kind of caliche kind of mix of stuff. And so we may just sit the rain out. We got enough groceries now to sit it out for a few days. And we may stay here. So just to let you guys see where we are and to encourage everyone else that, hey, whatever your level of adventure is in life, just get out and do it. Get out, be safe, and go adventure.